Why didn't I convert a school bus? So my name is Kai and I live in this house truck out in the woods in the Canadian winter, as you can probably tell from out here. And a lot of people think that this was previously a school bus, but it's actually always been a flat deck truck. So I bought this thing as a flat deck truck and then built the cabin on the back of it. And I initially thought about buying a school bus and converting that instead because I love schoolies. I think they're super cool. The problem being I'm 6'2". Most school buses top out at 6 foot. So in order to raise the roof, you need to be a welder or a fabricator of some sort. And I am not that. I'm a woodworker, so I chose to build out of wood.